Hey everyone, it's App Mentor once again. Today, let me show you how you can claim NFT in Pixeltap by Pixelverse. So let's begin. First, open the Pixeltap by Pixelverse and your Telegram app. Next, click the launch bot and wait for it to load. After loading in, click on Claim here. After that, claim NFT and then connect your wallet on Ton Wallet. In here, click the Ton Keeper and then click on Connect Wallet. Enter your passcode and wait for the process. Once done, click on Next Step. You need to recharge amount of Ton. Unfortunately, I have insufficient fund, but if you have enough resources, just buy it, and then you can now claim your NFT. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!